Welcome to AutoCAD tutorials. Here is a two-bedroom apartment story building. In this video, I'm going to show you how the roof was designed and created. So my tutorial here will be based really on the roof. So I'm going to uncover the building, that is remove the roof and also the base, so that you can have a clearer picture of the structure. So here I'm going to remove this roof. I'm going to hide the roof and the base. Click on this and hide. So let me now move the building around for you to see the structure. Okay. It's a two-bedroom apartment story building. Here is the sitting room. Here is the first room, second room. Here are the toilets. Here is the staircase, entrance to the sitting room. This is here is the dining room, and here is the kitchen, and here is the veranda. Okay, now I'm going to switch the top view so that I can start the construction of the roof. I click on this and click on top. Okay, so here is the top view. What I'm going to do here now is measure the perimeter of the parapet. This is the parapet. So I'm going to measure this perimeter and take the longest side of this perimeter to start my drawing. So I'm going to measure this now. Take the linear measurement. Measure from here to here, and this gives me 11.2. So I'm going to draw a line of 11.2, the horizontal line of 11.2. Check the auto mode. Measure 11.2. Okay. Now I'm going to draw another straight line from the center, this line upwards. Okay, now I'm going to draw another line from this very point to the center of this very line. Now I'm going to rotate this line to an angle of 30 degrees. So right click, choose rotate, and choose here as the center point and enter an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. Now the next thing I will do now is to extend this line to touch this vertical line. So I click on the extend command and click on this. Okay, that is done. So with the trim command, okay. So here now is the height of the roof, and this is the angle at which the roof will lie. Let's measure the new height of the roof. Measure this. So the height of the roof is 3.2 meters. You can see the angle here. Let's measure the angle. Okay, the angle is 30 degrees and the height of the roof is 3.2. So I'm going to work with these two dimensions now. This is the parapet. Now I'm going to copy the perimeter of this parapet and start the work on the roof. copy this and bring it down here. Move this. So this is the perimeter of the parapet. So I'm now going to switch to 3D mode. Okay. So we've gotten the angle of the roof, which is 30, and the height here is 3.2. So I'm going to start extrusion right now. So first I'm going to extrude this to an angle of 30 and the height of 0.2. So I click on extrude command, click on this, right click and enter, then right click again and choose taper angle. Now the taper angle in this case now is going to be 60. So enter 60 as taper angle, then extrude to a height of 0.2. Okay, that is done. So the next thing I will do now is to move the face. So I'll click on the modify panel and click on solids and editing, then choose move faces. This is the face I want to move. I click on it, enter, then pick my point from any of these corners and shoot vertically upwards above, well above 3.2, enter. Okay, so this is the shape of the roof now. This is the shape of the roof. So the next I will do now is to shell this very 3D roof. So I click on shell, click on this, and turn it over a little, and click on the face I want to shell, enter, and enter the thickness 0.002, enter, and enter again. Okay, so I return to the, okay, that is done now. So that is the shape of the roof. Return to the home screen. That's the roof. So the next I will do now is to cover up this very building again. So I switch to the 2D wireframe so I can see this clearly. And I'm going to pick from this very point, move it from this very point, and bring it to this very edge too. So that is done. Let's look at the shaded gray. Okay, so this is it. You can see that it is done now. So I'm going to put back the base. So I come here and end object isolation because it was originally removed. I click object isolation and the roof has now returned. So this is the building with the roof on top. I now wipe off the dimensions. Okay. It's now complete. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more of my tutorials.